Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You are going to remove a phone number from a contact now. Open Contacts or Phone and find the person. Tap Edit at the top right to enter field mode, then scroll to the number you want removed. You do this because deleting the whole contact is unnecessary if only one number is wrong. Once you see the number field, prepare to remove it cleanly and save changes to update all synced devices immediately. You now remove the number itself. Tap the red minus icon next to that phone field or simply tap into the number, select all and delete the digits. Make sure you do not accidentally remove the wrong line. Double-check labels like mobile, home, work. Once the field is empty, tap Done or Save. This ensures the contact keeps other info while the specific number is removed. If you have linked contacts, verify each linked record to avoid leaving duplicates. You finish by tapping Done to save the edit. iCloud or your account sync propagates the change. Check phone and messages to confirm the number no longer appears when calling or texting. If the number persists, make sure contact syncing is enabled in settings and give it a minute to update. If it still shows, toggle contacts off then on for the account or inspect contacts groups and linked accounts. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves ghost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.